Hello, my name is Charles Joma, sometimes known as the Almighty Prince Charles. That's my boxing alias. I live here in Cape Woolamai on Phillip Island, and one of the things I do for training, just for time out, clear my headspace, is I love running on the Phillip Island Nature Walks. It is very enjoyable. It's funny, like, no matter how many times I've run around it, you always stop at specific spots, and you're always just like gobsmacked by how beautiful it is. I really do love just being out there, but like there's no one else around. It's kind of like it's just space, fresh air, just everything's just you and like you and the world, and it just feels like nothing else exists, and you get lost in that. And I think that's really part of what I enjoy about it.